In the xy plane, a parabola has vertex 9, negative 14, and intersects the x-axis at 2 points. If the equation of the parabola is written in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants, which of the following could be the value of a plus b plus c? So this one is actually a pretty hard SAT problem. So let's first check. Since we're given the vertex of it, we should think about the vertex formula. That is x equals negative, yes, b divided by 2a, okay? So that is equals 9. Now we can represent b as negative 18a, okay? Next step is we have the point here. So let's plug in the formula, okay? That is 9 squared 81a plus 9b plus c equals negative 14, okay? So let's change the b into negative 18a. So that is 81a minus 9 times 18a plus c equals negative 14, okay? So maybe if you notice this 18, 1 here can be changed into 9 times 9, okay? So which we can combine as 9 times 9 minus 18a plus c equals negative 14, okay? So that is 9 minus 18, negative 9. So negative 81a plus c equals negative 14. So c equals 81a minus 14. So we get the relationship between c and a and b and a. So now next step, a plus b plus c equals, let's change b and c all into a. That is a minus 18a plus 81a minus negative 14. That is 82 minus 18. That is 64a, okay? Minus 14. So we're getting here and we're close to the final answer. So now let's think about a. What property does a has? So if you now look at the vertex here, and it also says it intersects at 2 points. Maybe let's draw the graph here. So think about this. This is a vertex that is below the x-axis, right? So maybe here, let's draw it here. It intersects at 2 points. So it has to be a parabola that is facing upward, right? Then it can intersect at 2 points. Otherwise, if it's like this, no way. If that's the case, what does this mean? This means that the a here should be greater than there, okay? So that is the property that we can get from the graph of it. If that's the case, which means this 64a should be, yes, greater than 0. And this 64a minus 14 should be, yes, greater than negative 14, okay? That is the property that we can get for now. Let's now check the 4 answer choices here. Perfect, yeah. We can only find the choice B here is a number that is greater than negative 14. So that can be our answer choice. All the others do not satisfy. Yeah, it cannot be negative 14 because a cannot be 0 here, right? So that's the answer of this problem.